Hey man, back in action. We back in action with another shitty video, bro. Fucking bars. Now, long story short, real quick, boys, we're gonna chalk this one up as another full episode of Chilling with NameBran, and I'll explain why in a second. Now, one thing I do want to update you guys with, this next week for videos is gonna be really sporadic, really fucking weird, because I'm going to the cottage for like a full week, and we're gonna be really fucking drunk at the cottage because I'm going with the boys, you know what I'm saying? We're going with Cameraman Adam, going with Joe McKenzie, going with Sarah Dougie, Ashton, we're going with Jamie Warning, a bunch of bitches mainly, which is why I'm gonna be fucking drunk, and a lot of shit's just like maybe not gonna go live because it's gonna be a fucking, it's gonna be a gangbang, bro. Anyway, let's keep the Chilling with NameBran real quick. Blah.
It's time for Chilling with NameBran.
Alright, man, this is Chilling with NameBran, where it's uncut, uncircumcised from here. Everything I say stays in the video. If I say anything stupid, it stays in the video, and I could end up in jail. Finally, it's bound to happen. Also, we're running short on time today, boys. I got like responsibilities. I got some boss shit I gotta do, mainly pick up a bunch of booze for this weekend. So we're just gonna do a quick take on this video, and you guys really seem to dig these. So if you guys don't mind me half-assing this, because I want to get a video out tonight, and this is the only way I can, this is all we gotta do. Let's get into the video though. First off, NameBran fams, real strong, baby. Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. We're all the GOATs, and we have the gayest unboxing ever today. We have a couple beer sips. So, this is actually an exciting video, and I wanted to put up maybe a little bit better of production for this video. This lighting's also shitty, what the fuck. However, once again, time isn't cooperating right now. I got shit to do. But I checked out this website called Fashion Nova. Now, if you guys know about this website, they sell a bunch of girl shit. I didn't really know what it was about. However, I saw Tony D do a video. Shout out my boy, you fucking hooker. And he said they have men's shit on there. So I'm like, oh, that's kind of dope. Let's see what we can find on here that's really sick. I don't really know what to expect from this website, or at least I didn't. I wasn't sure if they were just one of those like Chinese websites that sell you a bunch of shitty shit, or if they're their own brand or what. So I went on this website and I'm like, oh, maybe we can find some Gucci, maybe we can find some Bape, Maybe they sell some hype shit. They don't. However, what I found on this fucking website is basically all their men's shit is just extreme knockoff, just rip-offs of any like high brand companies that you might follow, like Gucci, like Yeezy, and So without further ado, we got this package here. I wanted to check it all out. This is not sponsored, and I probably won't ever shop on them again because everything they were giving out was the gayest shit ever, bro. And I don't mean that in like gays and like homophobic. I just mean it's gay. It's like, I'll stop there. This is what Chilling with NameBran is. First off, this is great. Let's get into the unboxing. We have a pink fucking scarf for your dilds, boys. Awesome. Like, I think they need some new fucking packaging when they're sending to dudes. Whatever. I don't know what the fuck we gonna use this for. Oh yeah, more shit like this. So anyway, I did have a goal for this. I had a $100 limit, and you guys can check on the website. I actually got all of this for $100. I tried to find pieces that I thought were kind of dope, but then I went back to NameBran, like how I think, and I'm like, no, let's just buy pieces that I think are just fucking ugly and it's just ridiculous. So that's what we got here. I'm actually kind of stoked. I'm not gonna wear any of this except for a shirt that I wanted to get myself. But getting into it, bro, I went on the website and like at first I was like, oh shit, they actually got Gucci on the bitch, and they don't. They actually have this really ugly. Oh fuck, is it fuck ugly? Wow. This looks like a fucking mess. So I saw this at first, I'm like, oh, they actually do have Gucci, they got like crazy brands, until I actually looked at it, and they're missing a stripe. But y'all can see, they're really just trying to fucking get some inspiration, if you will. Some half-assed inspiration, complete robbery off Gucci with this one. And it's super shitty. It looks fucking retarded. $100 challenge, we had to do it, boys. Nothing on the back. It's the first thing I got. I'm gonna talk quality on this shit because I don't know Fashion Nova. Apparently they're their own brand and they don't sell other people's shit. This is absolutely horrendous. Next up, baby. This one I actually was kind of stoked for. I was trying to go with a theme of like getting items that that were maybe inspired by different brands, because I kind of just want to tell you guys that Fashion Nova is super stupid. I don't know why. But another one we got, this is actually kind of dope. We're gonna call this Bape inspired. I'm reaching a little bit, but I actually really needed this because we're going to a place called Clear Lake, and apparently the bitch rains a lot. You know what I'm saying? Either that or all the pussy juice that'll be flying around me and Cameraman Adam when we're there, balling out with our balls out. But We also got this little windbreaker. This one's actually, I'm sweating like a fucking bitch. This is actually kind of dope though, man. I hate to do these one takes with y'all, but I really dig the Chill with NameBrans. And that, wow, look at that. Super bad quality. This bitch was like, I think it was like 20 bucks. It's a little rain jacket. I'm like, yeah, that looks like Bape. This is just fucking retarded. Also, I'm drunk right now, so that's how I clean. I get a little drunk and then I'm able to clean the house because I don't want to blow my fucking head off. Next one, probably the shittiest video ever. If you guys watch this far in the video, because this is half-assed and I really hate that, but I really wanted to get a video out to you guys today. We're giving away one merch tee. So all you guys gotta let me know down below is give me an honest opinion on if you guys should dig chilling with NameBran, because I think that's what this whole week's gonna be mainly with videos, because I'm gonna be drunk, editing's not gonna be there, and quality content might not be there, but I kind of like that, and I kind of like that realness with the chilling with NameBran. So if you guys dig the chilling with NameBran, we're giving away one merch tee. Or even if you're not, just give me your honest opinions. Even if you say you don't like it, I still might pick you. Leave that down below and comment on this video and hit the notification bell, because once again, the whole next week, if I am gonna upload, is gonna be that. Or you guys could just say, bro, take a break. We don't wanna see the bullshit, you know what I'm saying? Next up, this is another slap in the fucking tit, boys. So I saw this, I don't even know what it's, tag me in memes, I can't read. So, no, it's real. That's super, super fucking douche. We got this one. I was like, it was fucking stupid, man. They're just going off their Pablo shit. They got their fucking Gucci shit. This shirt, though, I'm gonna tell you right now, it feels real fucking nice. It feels like a slippery vagina, if you will. And don't really care about getting this bitch demonetized, because I'm in kind of a fuck it state right now, if you catch my drift. But I kind of wanted to pick this up because it actually did kind of look like a cool summer tee, and I probably will rock it. And it sounds really fucking douchey, and I kind of dig that because I myself am a cock. But yeah, there's that one right there. Fashion Nova, y'all are not murking the game on this one. This stuff's absolutely horrendous, but this is all for $100. If you guys are actually trying to buy cheap shit, they do have cooler stuff. I did get the douchey stuff because I just think it's funny for the memes, and then I'll just give it to homeless people. I don't really care. But 100 bucks, it ain't that pricey. And this is the one shirt I just got for myself because, wow, what the fucking fuck? Oh, fuck you in the ass, bro. This thing is, oh, it had I thought it was really small. It looked like a crop top, but apparently this part just wasn't unfolded all the way. Anyway, then I just got myself a plain black shirt because you guys know, I don't care about flexing. I don't give a fuck about any of that. It's all about being real with y'all. And guess what? I've been wearing this for the past 5 days, baby. And I'm still getting money. Somehow. It's weird how that works. But that's a little haul today. Buying knockoff shit off of a shitty website. Hope you guys enjoyed. Honestly, I didn't even care about this unboxing. I just kind of wanted to chill with you guys. Yeah, let me know what you guys maybe want to see, because I'm gonna be, it's a really beautiful place. It's a really nice lake. Once again, it's called Clear Lake, if you guys know about it. But I could make content out there. I don't know what kind of content I would make, but I could do it, and we're all gonna be fucking blasted. And I'll make sure to bring it out only when the bitches are in bathing suits, you know what I'm saying? Because that is what we're about. I'm here for the boys. You guys let me know if we should just take the break, or if you do enjoy videos like this. I really didn't even try for this video, I'm not even gonna lie. I just wanted to talk to you guys. Is really all there is to it. I can't stop. We about to burn the bitch, bro. The fuck is this? I'm gonna wear this to the next wedding I go to with my girlfriend. She's about to slap me in the cock, and not in a good way. Also, thank you for the bag, Fashion Nova, because I am in fact a flamer. And I'm glad that you realize that. Appreciate y'all for watching. NameBran fans, real strong. Half-assed as fuck today. I really apologize, but I have to take these videos. We talk a little bit. This is real NameBran. You know what I'm saying? I'm cut uncircumcised. However, I am circumcised, which is crazy. Catch y'all later. I'm also fucking stoned. Blah.